Welcome. Today we are making a homemade burger with shredded leftover chicken. So we have chicken, we have onions, salt, mixed spices, ginger garlic paste, green pepper, carrot, and tomatoes. So let's start some oil in a pan. Ginger garlic paste, stir fry for a while, then you put tomatoes. Salt, and then mix spices. Keep adding some water so that the onions can taste as if they're caramelized. They will be tender and sweet. You can also add brown sugar, but if you don't like it, you can add a tablespoon of honey. It's ready now. Some butter on a pan. You heat one side of the pan and then do the same to the other part. Now we're making guacamole. Guacamole is basically crushed kettle with some salt, onions, tomatoes if you want, and then some pepper. So I've put some salt. Now I'm adding onions. So if you don't want this guacamole to darken, you put lime juice or lemon juice. So I'm mixing up now. I'm going to start putting on the bun. I also have shredded cabbage that I'm going to add, and then onion. You can also add tomatoes if you like. So let's start with the shredded chicken. If you don't want it that long, you can cut the shredded chicken into small parts. So be generous and put enough. The juices of the onions, the tomatoes, yum. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You just click the red button and then you subscribe. That is very helpful to us. It helps us make more videos like these ones. Thank you. So instead of lettuce, we use shredded cabbage. guacamole. Be generous so that the burger is juicy. Put a lot. Thanks for watching.